Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a tutorial and a review for you guys. So we're going to get started with the review. I want to share with you guys these beautiful bouquet of roses. These were sent to me by Rose Forever New York. They are a New York-based company that was launched in 2019, and they specialize in luxurious design flower bouquets. And their flower bouquets come in a velvet black box. They come in the shape, or the box come in the shape of round or square. And they come in a quantity of roses of 9, 16, or 36 per box, you guys. And let's not even begin to talk about the array of color selections that they have. They have a variety of color selections that you guys can choose from. They even have black and gray as well as silver and gold. These flowers are very delicate and very professionally made by rose artisans, and they were handcrafted, each one handcrafted, each one made to be perfect for you. And not to mention that they are preserved roses with natural oils. So that is awesome, you guys. These exquisite roses last up to a year and maybe even further than a year. They have a small, soft smell, at least the ones that were sent to me. I got the lavender ones, and it has a very faint soft lavender smell. I absolutely love it. It is just so beautiful, you guys. And they are well made, and they are real flowers, just so you guys know. They are extending a discount to my subscribers of $15 off. So whenever you go to their website, that you can apply Hannah15 down in the coupon code section to receive that $15 off, and this code will be available for 30 days. So go check out Rose Forever New York. I will leave all of their information down in the description box, you guys, and don't forget to use that code. Now let's begin today's tutorial. We're going to be making some resin coasters. I did use those Rose Forever roses, the purple ones you just saw me review from Rose Forever New York. I used those to draw inspiration for my coasters because the purple was so beautiful, and anyone who knows me knows that purple is like one of my favorite colors. So we're going to be making some resin coasters with that color combination in there, okay? And I want them to be elegant and top-notch, just as those roses were. So we're going to be using a 2-part resin. This resin is the Amazing brand. You can use other resins. It's fine. It's just this is what I have, and it's a 2-part resin. So I'm going to need equal parts of A and B. So you must remember to do equal parts or your resin will not cure correctly. So I like to pour my B part in first. It doesn't matter which one you pour in first, just as long as it's equal. But I like to personally pour in my B part because it is more fluid. It's not as thick as the A part is. And so I am going to use that method first. And I ran out, so I'm opening up a new box. And I'm going to pour my A part into that B part you saw me pour, and then we're going to stir and mix it up really well. Okay, guys, so my cup was a little too small. As you can see, it's to the rim, so I'm going to pour it into a bigger size cup so that I can stir without wasting, because resin is costly and I don't want to waste any. So we're going to stir it for about 3 minutes or so. Then we're going to let it sit for about another 3 so that the bubbles can dissipate. There's other things you can do to get rid of the bubbles, such as apply a lighter to the top or a heat gun to make some of the bubbles pop. Now, to color our resin, you can do that in a various amount of ways as well. But today I'm going to be coloring it using eyeshadow. That's right, you heard me correctly. I'm going to be using powder eyeshadow to color my resin. So I got this eyeshadow. It is the LA, I think, color or something, powder shadow from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is pour a little bit of resin into a separate little small cup. And then I'm going to put my eyeshadow, which is the purple color, into that resin. Now, the reason why this does work is because eyeshadow is made of mica. And mica is a pigmentation that is used to color resin and numerous of other items such as makeups and stuff like that. So for those of you who are penny pinching, as I do, I like to be cost effective and use things that I know will work and keep my costs down some. This is an alternative to using the just pure mica powder, which I'm sure probably have more of a richer color, but this do work as well. And you would just put some in there and then stir it up until you get your desired color. Now, the more you put of the eyeshadow color or the mica powder, whichever you're using, it would be darker the more you put. The less you put, the more opaque it would be. I wanted more of an opaque look, so I only put this amount. I didn't want it too solid because I was just going for more of a like luxury see-through kind of look. And I love the way that it came out, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. I hope you loved it too. But if you did and you like that technique, then definitely try this this process. So you're going to give it a stir till you're satisfied with what you see. And then I'm going to do the same for my next color. I'm going to be doing purple and gold. And I'm going to use clear resin. And then I'm going to be using some flakes and some scatters, some like metallic scatters and stuff like that to, you know, elevate this coaster. Now I'm going to repeat those same steps for my gold color. And I'm going to just stir, 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 stir until I get the color consistency that I am happy with. Now that I have all of the items that I need to create this set of beautiful coasters, let's begin to create. Now, there is no right or wrong way to create when you're making this type of coaster. So just kind of like create a design and have fun. So no two coasters would never be alike. They would maybe similar or something like that, but they would never be exact. So as you can see, I am just pouring a little bit of gold here, a little purple here, a little clear there. And like I say, I'm just trying to be creative and make it all come together. So just enjoy the view, you guys. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and let you enjoy. All right, you guys, so I went on to finish the last two off camera, but I want to share with you how it looks a little bit closer. You need to allow this resin to dry 24 to 48 hours, even 72 hours sometimes, fully, so that it is completely solid and completely cured. So I would not use it for at least 72 hours. I could demold. You can demold it after 24, 48 hours. It's fine, but I wouldn't use it for at least 72. So this is the next day, and I want to share with you my process of just demolding it or popping it out the mold, so you guys can see how it's just so beautiful. So I am going to pop it out, and it pops out very easily. At least this set did. This set popped out fairly easy, and it's just so beautiful, you guys. I am just loving the way it looks. It is the right amount of thickness, and you can see that it is opaque. You can see through it, the front through the back, and I just love it. I hope you guys do too. These resin coasters are made to order and are sold on my Etsy shop. So be sure to go to my Etsy shop at Glamazon Design Shop. All one word. Shop is SHOPPE. I will leave a link in the description box. So be sure to check that out as well, you guys. And you can purchase these custom made coasters, okay? And a lot of other custom made items that may be up there. And I upload different items almost weekly, and I change it up some. So right now I need to add a lot more inventory, but the season is changing, so my inventory is also changing. Also, don't forget to check out Rose Forever New York. Their website information will be in the link in the description box below, and don't forget to use Hannah15 for an additional $15 off your purchase from their site. Also, you guys, if you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button now. Remember to like, comment, share, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye for now.